So, as you guys have obviously seen on the channel recently, I have been doing woodworking. Now, a little bit of backstory. My brother has been running his woodworking shop out of my garage for the past few years. He's been into woodworking for many, many years, started when he was in his early teens. But I also started woodworking when I was a lot younger, but gave it up for the longest time. I pursued landscaping and all kinds of different stuff like that. But yeah, I'm getting back into it, and I'm making this video to announce that me and my brother are partnering up. You've seen the channel name change to Double T Woodworking. That is the name of his shop. And we are joining together on it, and we've got some awesome, exciting stuff coming up. You guys have seen some of the builds that I've made. This Mountain Peak napkin holder here that I've got. This entry piece. Ooh, peekaboo. But yeah, you can expect more stuff like that from me. His focus has always been more of furniture stuff, bigger projects, which I may dabble in a little bit as I gain more experience. But for now, what you can expect from me is home decor stuff, stuff that has utility still, like the sign. Has hooks on it, you can hang coats, keys, stuff like that. A napkin holder, obviously, it's a napkin holder. But yeah, super excited about this. We have a huge announcement coming up soon, and I can't wait.